Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. And in this video, I want to show you how to download and install a BPlayer to your Fire TV device. This is going to be a full guide. That means I will show you every single step you need to follow on your Fire TV device to download and install BPlayer. So please make sure to watch right up to the end and pay close attention to the steps I show you on my FireStick. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. That's it, let's get started. Now here's my Fire TV device, and if I go back to the App Store and search for BPlayer, I wouldn't find it. So what I need to do is to use unknown sources or third-party sources to install this application. And the very first thing we need to do on our Fire TV device is to install the download application. For that, it is very easy to download. Go over to the Find button and go to search and type in the downloader application, or just simply D. You are going to get a suggestion to the download application. The reason we are searching for downloader is because this is the only app we can use to install applications that are not available on the App Store. So go over here and click download and let downloader install to your Fire TV device. So we'll use downloader to install an application that is going to allow us to install the BPlayer application to our FireStick. So downloader is installing, it takes a couple of seconds. Once it's done downloading, you can then return home, and that is the very first step done. The next step on our Fire TV device is to turn on the feature that is going to allow you to install applications from unknown sources on your Fire TV device. On default, your Fire TV device doesn't allow you to install applications from unknown sources, so you need to turn that feature on. To turn it on is simple. Go over to your option of settings, and in the settings, go over to the option that says My Fire TV. In My Fire TV, come to the option that says Developer option. Now, if this is your first time, you might not find this option, especially if your FireStick is new. So how do you make this option to appear if you don't find it on your FireStick? Let me show you that. It is very simple. Go over to the option of About and click on it, and you're going to see the name of your FireStick device. Here's mine here. Mine is Fire TV Stick 4K. So on yours, click on the OK button on your remote control 5 times or 3 times until you see the pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. Once you see that pop-up, then the developer option has appeared, and here's mine over here. Now come back to it and launch it. On the second option, that's what we're interested in, add from unknown sources. This is the feature that allows you to install applications for unknown sources. If this option is not turned on, you wouldn't be able to install applications for unknown sources. So please make sure to cover here and turn on this option. So it is very easy. Just click on OK and turn it on. Once it's turned on, you can then install application for unknown sources. So that's it. Let's return home, and we've done two important steps. The first step is installing downloader. The second step is installing or making sure that our Fire TV device can install applications for unknown sources. So that's it. Now we can go ahead to install applications from unknown sources to our Fire TV. So go over to downloader and launch it. Now downloader is an application you can use to install lots of applications by just typing in simple codes in the code box over here. If you have codes to install applications from downloader, just type in the codes here. On my YouTube channel, I created a video with 50 downloader codes you can use on your device to install applications. So you can check out that video if you're looking for codes to install applications. But now to install the BPlayer application, we need to install a mini app store, and I will show you how to install that. Go over to this option here or the box here and type in this code 21254. So here's a code that you will need to install an application called APKTime, and that's the application we are going to be using to install the BPlayer. So the code is 21254. Once you type in the code, you can go ahead and launch. So once you launch that code, it's going to bring you to a page called Malavida. On this page, you are going to install the application called APKTime. I will tell you why we are installing this application and why not the code straight away to BPlayer. So go over here first of all and install the code by clicking downloader, and as you can see, it says this is an app store alternative. That means that if you are looking for applications on your Fire TV or Android TV that are not on the App Store, you can use this application as an App Store alternative. So that's why I love this application. And the reason I'm showing you to use this application is because in the future, if I give you a code to BPlayer, that code might stop working. But if I give you the long process or the full guide, in the future you know how to use or you know how to get this application, and you can use the application to install the BPlayer application. So that's it. Let's just download the application and install to our FireStick device. The application is called APKTime and it's a mini app store. So while I show you how to download BPlayer, I have already shown you how to download and install a mini app store to your FireStick device that you can use. So if you're looking for applications that are not found on your app store, you can always use this mini app store called APKTime to install these applications. So I'm showing you how to do two things in this video instead of one. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So here's the application. It is downloading. I don't know why it's taking a long time to download, but it looks like my network is slow. So once it's done downloading, go over here and click install, and the application is going to install to your FireStick device. Now once it's done installing, delete the app file so that it doesn't fill your space for nothing. Return home and you're going to find the application installed to your FireStick device. So here's the application here, APKTime, and as I said, it is a mini app store. Once you launch it, this is how it's going to look like for your very first time. And if you take out your time, you're going to see different categories of different applications that you might be interested in on your FireStick. So these are all applications you can install to your FireStick device. Just go over here and browse to the category that you want and check out the application that you might want to install. So this is a mini app store. Now what I'm showing you is how to download and install the BPlayer, and this is it over here. As you go over to the option of players and browsers, you're going to see BPlayer. So there are two options. There's the option for 64-bit and there's the option for 32-bit. So now you need to know what device is your FireStick. If yours is the 64-bit, then install the 64-bit option. If yours is the 32-bit, then install the 32-bit option. So just make sure to install the bit or the option that is going to work for you. In my case, I think it's the second option. So I'm going to go over to BPlayer. Here's over here. Click download and allow, and the application is going to start downloading. So this is how to download applications from here. It doesn't take a lot of time. So this BPlayer, also known as BPlayer, it's going to take a couple of seconds to download, and then once it's done downloading, we will install it to our FireStick. So go over here now and click install, and the application is going to install to your FireStick device. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So now the application is installed. Now you can return home and check out the application that you just installed. So here's it over here. Here's the application. It is installed. So if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So this is BPlayer, and as you can see, this is just a player and not an application that gives you content to watch. You need to allow access, and also you need to add content to your player. So subscribe for more important videos like this.